Woo! Hello, good morning, everyone, and this is welcome back to Governor Show, and today we will unleash this big kit or kits right here, and I still don't know what are they, or is it? Yeah. So let's go and let's unleash this one with this rusty but so trusted, not so rusty, but yet still trusted cutter. Let's go and let's open this. Let's go. Okay, so we have three kits right here, and yeah, this is a little bit late as a disclaimer, but we have here some bootleg kits, bootleg kits. Okay, so it's a bootleg. So for those who doesn't want bootlegs, you can go and find some other of my videos on my playlist. You can go there and watch some other Bandai or some original kind of kits that I have or models that I have. Okay, so yeah, but for those people who wants to discover and to see this one, and we will talk about it, so yeah, stay there and let's have first this one here. Woo, this is your, I cannot read this one, but yeah, as I know, this is the Zeta, is that the Asparos, but Asparos, but it's that one, it's not that one, but it's the Gundam base limited Zeta, which has a different color. So again, it's not yet the unboxing, but I want to know what's the name because I forgot. I've ordered this one, I know, and this is before we go to that, this is from JMS, so I'm expecting that this will be a good kit because it's from the JMS, but I've already found some videos and reviews, especially to Sir Gundam Deck right there. Shout out for you, sir. It's a little bit disappointing, but yeah, let's see. It's Sir Gundam Deck's point of view, but let's see if I will build this one. Let's see if it will be a good one for me. Okay, so yeah, I will just check first. Details are good for every maybe the one that they don't really like is the decals. Yeah, because if we will not use the decals, it will not be the let's call that, will not be the Zeta Gundam Base Limited kind of kit, because if you doesn't put the decals, the kit will just be on, it's like all white and a little bit of violet. Yeah, because the kit will be more on the decals itself. Yeah, because it's all in white and gray only, and yeah, the instruction manual is for the Zeta, original Zeta, which is the common color combination of a Gundam. So yeah, maybe that's the problem, but yeah, let's see if that will, my decals will be right here. The copy that I have is a good kind of decals, so we really have our own different kind of perspective in building and looking at the kit. So let's see what will happen when I will build this. But yeah, you can really have join on my live build for this kit next time, so you can really see if it's really bad or not. Okay, so let's have the next one, and we have here your Ooh, this another one. I cannot read this one, but yeah, this is the MS06CK, and as I know, this is the Zaku half cannon. Yeah, it's a half cannon, half cannon because it has a cannon at the side, and it's from the GTO or from the Gundam the Origin series. So yeah, so it should be like this one at the side. Yeah, and I would like to see it again and again. It's not yet an unboxing. Every unleashing here, I just really want to check so that I can really let you know that if it's really the kit or not. Okay, the brown, maybe it's not yet it will not yet registered to me that this is a good color of brown. But it has two kinds of brown, not just two, but three kinds of brown. Yeah. So we will be talking about all of the mod right here. And we also need to use the decals because without it, we cannot see those red lines, or yeah, it's the lines, the red lines that really separates it from regular kind of Zaku 2. Yeah. So it's a cannon. It's also have a Gatling. I don't know if we can have two of them at the same time. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's it. That's our Zaku half cannon. Okay, so the next one and the last one is our this is the Zaku 2, and this is it's from the origin also, but this is from the JMS. As you can see, I really like to collect the JMS boxes because yeah, they're so nice. So as I'm recording this one, I already know that there will be a white Zaku for the JMS, a red Zaku also from JMS. I really don't want to have them again, the Zakus, especially the red one, because I already have the red one right here from the Gundam the Origin red Zaku of Char. But yeah, the box of that red Zaku is very nice. I really like one to have just the box. Yeah, but it's also good to have the JMS red Zaku. Let's see if I can have it, but it's not yet my priority for getting those kits. Okay, but yeah, let's have this one right here, your JMS Zaku 2. So let's see. I also want to open it, but it's not yet an unboxing. I just really want to be sure that it is really the Zaku 2. Yeah, that's it. Let's see. Okay. Oh yeah, it's wow, the green is so nice. Yeah, details are crisp. They're very, very detailed. Yeah. Ooh. So yeah. Okay. So I'm just really amazed on that green. Yeah. So these are the kits that we unleashed today, and we have two Zakus right here and one Zeta, and this is the Gundam Limited kind of Zeta, but all of these are on its bootleg form. Okay, so it's a JMS. This is also a JMS, and yeah, this one it's WM. I don't know what is that. I think it's Weimei. Am I correct? Yeah. Let's see, I will just research for that if that will be a Weimei. Okay, so that is our unleashing for today, and we have 3 kits right here. And yeah, let's see who will be the first one that we will build. But yeah, help me comment right there if what kit you want me to build first out of these 3, so that we can prioritize that one. So the most commented kit on the comment section will be the one that we will have first. Okay, and I will also post this on the community so that you can see, and it's at a poll, but just comment right there if what you really want to be built first. Okay, so yeah, we have 3 kits again. Another 3 kits unleashing today. So yep, so excited but still so many backlogs right there at my back. So same as usual, they will go to my backlog paradise. Yeah, right now I'm also currently building something and reviewing something. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like these kinds of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for our next videos. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Same as usual, they will have an unboxing, a live build, no speed build, a quick look, and a full review of this kit next time. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake the Past signing off, and Gumbaber Show signing off. Bye. 3 kits again. Let's go. Woo! So, if you reached this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag Jake the Gunpla Reviewer and get the chance to be shout out on our next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you and peace out.